All right. So tell me about yourself.
You know I know how to cook pancakes, bacon, sausages, and eggs. Spring.
Are you gonna help us?
I also like to I also like to skateboard and soccer and paddle, and I also play Xbox, but I can't play it today. But junk cat. But it's good. You guys are fresh air. Fresh air in about 20 years, but it's good to have fresh air. You see, my grandma messed up my computer.
Yeah, well, she gonna be on the phone with them for the next 2 hours.
On what phone?
I don't know. That's a good question. Since the internet's not working, I assume the phone won't be working either, right?
My internet computer's not working.
Nah. That damn internet speaker has been slow too. That boy's fat as hell, but he can get his ass outside.
I do not know who you're talking about, but still. It's good. To come out here. But who wants to hear me talking?
Me? You gonna skate or show us some of your skills?
I'll try to show some of my skills.
Okay. Oops.
Skate.
My bag.
Yeah. Oh. Tooth. Oh.
Justin, I hope you're not running out of video space.
It's on 9 minutes?
3. Can I see how fast? Can you go from that side? How fast can you go from one side to the next? Oh, you can skate good. There's a little dot there.